Yo, welcome back to another banging video. As you already know by the title, today we are reacting to Logan the Wolf, a Wolverine fan film. Fucking hell, that is a tongue twister and a half. Now, if you lot saw my previous reaction to Project Shadow, you lot know how much I enjoy that shit. Like, that shit had everything when it comes to sticking to an origin story. It had chaos control, it had chaos spear, it had Shadow's personality, it had what's it called? At the end when Maria goes like sayonara Shadow the Hedgehog, that shit had everything. Top tier animation as well, like fucking hell. So I would have given that like a 9.5. So that means I'm expecting a lot from this fan film as well. I know it's not by the same creator or director, but it still means I'm expecting a lot. And so hopefully they do it justice, I guess. Or like they meet my expectations, at least. Like when I talk about my expectations, I mean I expect it to be bloody and gory. By bloody and gory, if you've not seen like or played the the game, the PS3 game of
what? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Fucking hell, I can't even get my words right. If you lot have played X-Men Origins Wolverine, you lot would know what I mean by bloody and gory. Like you just see Wolverine decapitating motherfuckers like you with his claws. Like you just see their heads getting chopped off, their limbs everywhere. By that bloody and gory. Now, without further ado, you lot already know the drill. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you lot know when I upload. But yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, side note, if I look tired as hell, it's because I'm currently fighting insomnia at the moment, and insomnia is winning. So if I look like your local friendly neighborhood crackhead, then yeah. But anyway, let's get on with this shit. Eight. Let's start again. This is pretty sick already, I'm not gonna lie. This following is fan-made. Fucking I can't read, and it's neither endorsed or affiliated with Morphs. Is no intent for commercial use. All named characters and are copyright and trademark of their respective owners. Speaking of copyright, I don't know if this is going to get copyrighted or not, but bro, if you're watching this, please don't copyright me. I'm just trying to make it out the hood just like you. So yeah, don't copyright me. But I should be good.
I am wrath. I am chaos and balance.
Wait, what the fuck is in French? Wait, what?
I am death and resurrection. I am Fenrir's fury.
This is a Wolverine. What the fuck? But I guess he has his claws and shit. I expected it to be exactly like Wolverine, not just like, oh, he just has his claws and shit. Okay, fuck this. Fuck the subtitles. Logan the Wolf. Okay, let's get it. Gone. Don't fail me. Wait. Oh, I thought there was a... I thought that the X in the circle was because of X-Men. I'm guessing it is. Maybe it says claws. I don't know. Oh no, sorry. Weapon X. I am slow today. I told you guys I am tired.
I've been waiting for you.
You should have run instead.
I don't run away.
So, is he a Viking in this? So it's what? Basically Ragnar meets Logan.
From miserable creatures.
I've heard a lot about you. Stories are told about a ferocious wolf that butchers women and children, and even slaughtered 20 of Gunna's men alone. Lies! Nothing more than fairy tales to scare little kids. Lord Otto put a bounty on your head, and I don't give a shit what they say about you or what you've done. We are here for the money.
Ooh, I'm expecting. I hope this happens, isn't it? Where I think they just like start, they just get axe out, just start chopping Logan up, and then he just heals. I hope that happens. Why did that take me so long to think?
Are you sure?
Like they just start butchering him up,
It's
cutting him
worth
up.
it.
What the fuck? I can't speak English today. What's wrong with me?
Such a leader, man. It surely is.
I leave one of you alive, so you can warn your sons about those fairy tales.
Okay, he has the same like mannerisms as Logan, as in like Wolverine. Same kind of like quotes and shit.
Get him!
Okay, this is sick. The fighting choreography is sick. Now let's see if T heals. Wait. No one's gonna ask like, hey, how did you just fight like survive a fucking spear through your chest? Go on, let's see him healing. Let's see him healing.
So much for that. Take the body.
Yeah, you lot are in trouble now. Heal. Yes, he healed.
What kind of demon are you?
I am Logan the Wolf.
Kill him.
Side note, if the mic's picking up hella shit, it's because it's fucking happening outside. It's pissing me off as well. Hopefully it doesn't get recorded by the mic. But yeah, well then. I hope, I get why he said that, the wolf in him, but I hope that he just said thing, Wolverine. Dead. Oh shit, what? What? Wait, I gotta go back and watch that shit. I was not expecting it to be like that. That was straight out of Mortal Kombat.
Logan the Wolf.
Kill him.
Holy fuck. He needs to impale someone on a tree and just like chop off their head. with them claws. But so far, when it comes to Bloody and Gory, I asked for Bloody and Gory, it's been my fucking expectations. This is what Marvel needs to do. Because I feel like Marvel's made this too like PG and all the kids and shit. But if like even in the comics, like stick to the comics, man. Nah, this is legit sick. There needs to be one other scene here where I think Logan needs to, like, there's one or two guys running away here. He needs to track them down and just like hunt them down. This is sick. Whoever fucking choreographed this, like, yo, I got rated. Are you dumb or something? Look at that. That's our fucking thing. That right there is out of Mortal Kombat. Look at that. Bro got fatality'd by Baraka. Nah, this is sick. I know I keep saying this is sick. I have limited vocabulary right now.
You freak! Leave now and tell your kind about me. Tell your kind a new god will soon rule. Tell your kind a new era.
See, this is the one part I don't get. Like they diverted away from like Wolverine, but I'm guessing because of copyright issues. I'm guessing they don't want to be sued by Marvel. So I understand, but at the same time, I would have kind of enjoyed it if they could. Like, I'm pretty sure, what's it called? Bat in the Sun did the same shit, where they just did characters like Wolverine, Deadpool, etc. and just, like, you know, made a fan film.
Warn them! Go now!
Who's a Sabretooth? Magneto. Gambit. What? Who the fuck is this guy?
Impressive.
Who's he meant to be?
If you're here for the bounty, just look at them.
No, we're here to recruit you.
And see your end.
Very promising. I've been watching you. You have something unique. That brings my attention.
What do you
Who's he meant to be? He can't be Professor X. He's not in a fucking wheelchair.
want?
I want you to join me. Together we would be
I'm guessing he's a copy of Sabretooth.
unstoppable.
No man walking these lands can slay me. What would I be doing with you?
You know, we're not so different, you and I.
Well, let's see your fucking fingertips.
We share the same aversion and repugnance for those animals.
Neil. Sorry, my fucking is sudden.
Animals. If we gather...
I don't need you. Just go home. Whilst you can.
Okay, he's Magneto. He's Magneto.
See? I am just like you. A god among the commons. But instead humans call us monsters. They fear us. They want us extinct. And trust me, they'll keep hunting us down and slaughter the ones we love until all our heads onto their spikes. But we're about to change that.
Death isn't my concern. Mortal.
Make it your concern.
Last warning.
That's a shame.
Gone. Use your.
I thought you...
He has to use his metal
Could
powers
understand.
on his claws.
You're going to die like the rest of them.
Show me.
But that's it. Nah, there has to be more. There needs to be more. There's like a minute left. Nah, don't tell me that's it. Okay, there's not. There's a credit scene. There's a credit scene, so let's see. Oh, you killed Magneto. Okay, Magneto's still alive. Fucking hell. That was pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. Like, when it comes to the fighting and everything, that was sick. Like, especially like the camera work. I feel like it was straight out of like Kingsman, if that makes sense. But the only thing that's not pissed me off, but like kind of annoyed me or irked me is that they haven't stuck to origins. It's like, it's not Logan's character to be like, oh, I am a god of whatever. Like, you get what I'm trying to say. He's not the type of guy to be in a fucking cave doing rituals and shit. Not even rituals, like in the forest doing rituals. But yeah, other than that, that was pretty sick. I'm guessing they had to change some part of the character's plot or traits or whatever, because they don't want to get sued. But if they were able to do that, that would have been amazing. But yeah, I think this show was pretty fucking sick. I don't know what else to say. Like, bro, when it came to the blood and gore, I asked for it, I got it. Like, what more could I expect? Maybe the plot could have been better, but than that, yeah. But hope you guys liked the reaction. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't know when I upload. If you don't want to see me react to any other fan films, drop it down in the comments below. If you don't want to see me react to not even the fan films, anything else, just drop it down in the comments below and I'll try my best to react to it. But yeah, have a good day, I guess.